So in this lecture I'm going to show you how to how to create a simple man which is always turning around to your position. So you always know those people if you play an RPG, if you enter the house and they always turn to the side where you're at. So it feels like it feels more like they are watching you, and yeah. So first we're gonna create the guy who's watching. You could also create a group of guys. It really doesn't matter. But we will stick to this one. So this is a Googly Guy, I like to call him. He needs nothing. So you can actually, if you want to, you can press the action button and make him say something. So you better don't do this check if in which direction he is. You better don't do it here. It's better to create a new event and call it something. Yeah, you could call it coordinates or something, or Googly Guy or something like that. You turn it into a parallel process, walking off, through, on. So the reason why you do this is because if you run up to this tile here, you won't be able to go onto it. So it's better to change it to through so that you can walk through it. Now we're gonna need some coordinates, and there we can use hero X, of course. We need to set it again to player X, and also we need it for hero Y. So we always knew where the position of a player is. Actually, you don't even need the Y coordinate. So we just take one X coordinate for the hero and one X coordinate for the Googly Guy. So we store this into a character, Googly Guy, and now we have both X coordinates stored within the parallel process, so it will always be updated. After that, you only need to check with a conditional branch if hero X is, what happens if hero X is greater than Googly Guy X. So we can simply try it out, or just think about it a bit. So what happens when hero X is bigger than Googly Guy X? So hero X, you can see the X coordinate is 8 and the X coordinate of the Googly Guy is 10. So whenever you are in this area, so in this area here, everything from this area to the left is when your X, actually it's the other way around. So if hero X is smaller than Googly Guy X, then this area here is. So if the hero walks up in all this area here, this guy turns to the left. So that's what this here does. So we just need a new movement. So we choose the Googly Guy and turn him to the left. To the left. So now it should work. And of course we're gonna do this to the other side. So whenever hero X is greater than Googly Guy X, the Googly Guy should turn right. And that should be it, I guess. Let's save it and try it out. It takes a while. So let's see if it works. So you see, I'm on the left side, he is looking to the left, and when I went over this area, so here on this area actually nothing is happening. But whenever I go over to the left side, he turns left, and if I go over to the right side, he turns right. And this only with one event. And the reason why this is better than just doing lines of events upwards and downwards is you don't need to know where this person stands. Whenever you reach the right side of him, he will turn right. When you reach the left side of him, it will turn left. It really doesn't matter. So I can also place him here, play it again, and you will see that this also works even if I change the position of the guy who is watching. See, he looks to the right, looks to the left, right, left, and that's it.